cell phones are common in
Developed
countries. In many parts of the world, they remain
relatively
rare.
Hajimeka. Ready, steady, go.
Although cell phones are common in
Developed countries.
developed countries, in
これの方がいいんじゃない Ready, steady, go.
Although cell phones are common in developed countries, in many parts of the world they remain relatively rare. According to experts, however, their potential impact on the lives of people in developing countries is much greater. One reason is that people in these countries often do not have easy access to other methods of communication, such as the internet or regular postal services. Another is that cell phones do not require special skills or even a school education to use it properly. Unfortunately, less than 5% of the population in developing countries can currently afford to buy a cell phone. Now, the Grammy Band in Bangladesh that specializes in lending money to poor people has started a new program that is intended to help solve this problem.
Oi, oi. Okay, good girl.